Number one when it comes to selling anything to anyone, identify a target market and your dream client profile. In order to market your product or service, you need to know who and where your clients are. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. Be aware where is your market and where you have the best chance of selling of what you have. You can have the best quality and cheapest product, but if you try to sell it in the wrong place to the wrong people, you can't succeed. It is your client's system of value that determines what is the most important feature of your product or service. People believe they make rational decisions, but they are always emotional in nature and based on their individual value system. If you want to be really successful, you must learn to identify these values. Be flexible and be aware that the values that seem to be most important to you usually don't have the greatest value for someone else. Buying decisions are always made on the basis of your client's individual value system. Product must provide physical, logical, and emotional benefit for your prospect. If the profit the prospect expects to receive is higher than the perceived cost, then the product will have enough value for the prospect and you will be able to overcome any price objection. Identify the decision makers who are responsible for choosing the supplier and evaluation of your offer. Real decision makers in most organizations hide behind the gatekeeper. Gatekeepers tend to work closely with decision makers. They might be executive or administrative assistants, secretaries or receptionists. Think about them like your ally rather than adversary. Treat it as you would like to be treated. Find common ground, build rapport, ask firmly for an assistant, and reach the right person who's in charge to make binding purchasing decisions. Before we move on to the next two steps, my name is Pavel. I've been in sales for over 15 years. I built a network of contacts and sales from scratch several times in my career on the highly competitive European market for companies operating in industrial sector. If you are looking for proven sales tips and sales advice, please subscribe and let's move on. Arouse your client's interest. A prospect has interest in the salesperson and his product when he is willing to hear of what he has to say. Refer to the benefits of your product. Mention the names of people and companies who decide to use your product and mean something to your client. Keep in mind, nobody cares about you, your company, or your product if he doesn't know who you are, hear nothing about your product and your brand. That's why your approach should be more personal and refer to the more tangible values and features of your product. The most important thing for your client is what benefits all that may bring for him. And finally, close the sale. Emotions are the driving force behind all what we do. Logic only justifies our emotionally made decisions. Fit those that favor your goals. Listen attentively, show empathy. Remember that selling is in the first place the transfer of emotions. So if you want the client to feel confident about you and your product, you must reflect confidence yourself. Make the client believe that his life will become better when he will decide to buy your product and intensify the pain if he decides to procrastinate. Listen carefully what he says. Understand his concerns and beliefs. Gain his trust, take control of the sales process, and you'll be able to sell anything to anyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, watch other related videos, and see you soon.